You are not a nice person.
What? No, that's not true.
I think on the scale of niceness, you're cataclysmically low. Hey, let me go, and I'll explain. Out of all 102 people I've made any acquaintance with in my lifetime, I unfortunately have to relay that you are already the worst individual I have ever met. My apologies.
Okay, you can't just say that.
I can if it's true. Tape over my mouth, threats, mimicry, the actions of someone who really isn't nice. As an expert in the field, I was recently bumped up to 0.5 on the list. That's right, even higher than number 1 on the list because I'm just so nice. I can with confidence assure you you're unlikable and likely to end up all alone and sad.